How to show different banner images for mobile and desktop for Shopify. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to do so. Now, this is going to work with most new themes, like Horizon theme here, for example. So let's just go in and get to it. First, you just want to click on Edit Theme from the online store menu. And we're just going to use this banner here, for example. So I'm just going to go in and click on this hero icon. And first, I'm just going to change this main image here for the desktop version. So I'm just going to go ahead and click Explore Free Images and select one from there real quick. So as you can see, I went with this one. And if we just switch to the mobile view, we can see that it is going to be exactly the same image. It's just going to crop down to become this different style here, but it's going to be pretty much the same exact image. So how do we actually separate them and have an image specifically for mobile? It's very simple. You just want to again click on the hero section here and scroll down until you find mobile media, and you should be able to find show different media on mobile. Simply just go ahead and turn this on, and you're just going to basically select another image for mobile. So again, I'm just going to explore another free image here. So we're pretty much done here. As we can see here for media 1, we have this image, and for the mobile media, we also have this different image here. So if we just switch to mobile now, we should be able to see that is going to change also to the appropriate image here. And we just basically just want to click on save, and we are good to go. So this is pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.